Oh, siya na nga yun. JJ, siyempre. JP niya eh. Ito kasama ko rin niya. MVP pa yun. Artistahin ang dating ano. Chinese eh, may pagka-Chinese siya eh.
I'm sure JJ, your thousands of fans would like to hear from you now that you're MVP for this season.
Wow. Such a great honor. Thank you very much. First of all, I would like to say thanks to God for all the blessings you've given me and this opportunity. I would like to thank Ginebra management for allowing me to stay with Ginebra for as long as I have. I would like to thank my coaching staff, my teammates, my family for their support. Jalen, I love you.
Yeah.
Thank you for being here. Yes, Coach John, definitely. And everyone else who voted, appreciate it. And I think also want to thank the real MVP of the league, all the fans. Thank you guys so much. We appreciate it. God bless. Thank you.
Kamukha niya yung anak niya eh.
Anak niya babae.
Kamukha niya eh.
Thank you so much, JJ, and again, congratulations.